Good morning, students. This is class 7th, chapter 1, history, tracing changes through 1,000 years. This is our second class on this chapter, historians and their sources. Historians use different types of sources to learn about the past depending upon the period of their study and the nature of their investigation. Last year, for example, you read about rulers of the Gupta dynasty and Harshvardhana. In this book, we will read about the following 1,000 years from roughly 700 to 1750. You will notice some continuity in the sources used by historians for the study of this period. They still rely on coins, inscriptions, architecture and textual records for information, but there is also considerably discontinuity. The number and variety of textual records increased dramatically during this period. They slowly displaced other types of available information. Through this period, paper gradually became cheaper and more widely available. People used it to write holy texts, chronicles of rulers, letters and teachings of saints, petitions and judicial records, and for registers of accounts and taxes. Manuscripts were collected by wealthy people, rulers, and monasteries and temples. They were placed in libraries and archives. These manuscripts and documents provide a lot of detailed information to historians, but they are also difficult to use. बीते हुए समय की जानकारी प्राप्त करने के लिए इतिहासकार अलग अलग सोर्सेज पर डिपेंड करते हैं, स्रोतों पर डिपेंड करते हैं. आर्किटेक्चर, अभिलेख, इंस्क्रिप्शंस, कॉइन्स और टेक्सचुअल रिकॉर्ड यहाँ इतिहासकारों के स्रोत का काम करते हैं. इस बुक में हम 700 से 1750 के 1000 साल के समय के बारे में जानेंगे, जहाँ इतिहासकारों को सिक्कों, अभिलेखों, आर्किटेक्चर और टेक्सचुअल रिकॉर्ड से जानकारी मिलती है और उनको बीते हुए समय को समझने में आसानी होती है. वहीं जो पांडुलिपियां इकट्ठी की गई हैं और कागज के प्रयोग में आने के बाद पांडुलिपियों की कॉपी हमारे पास उपलब्ध है, जिन्हें आर्काइव्स में, अभिलेखागार में सुरक्षित रखा गया है. वहीं इतिहासकारों को बीते हुए समय के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करते हुए एक मुश्किल का सामना भी करना पड़ रहा है. There was no printing press in those days, so scribes copied manuscripts by hand. If you have ever copied a friend's homework, you would know that this is not a simple exercise. Sometimes you cannot read your friend's handwriting and are forced to guess what is written. As a result, there are small but significant